Is your Windows 11 feeling sluggish, like it's wading through quicksand? Let's fix that by clearing out all the digital clutter that's slowing it down. First, we'll use Windows built-in storage. Sense click on the search bar in your taskbar and type Settings. Once the Settings app opens, click on System in the left-hand menu. Now, on the right side, find and click on Storage. Give it a moment to calculate your storage usage, then click on Temporary Files. This will show you a list of files you can safely delete. You'll see several options here, like Downloads, Recycle Bin, and Temporary Windows installation files. Leave the Downloads box unchecked unless you want to delete everything in your Downloads folder. Check all the other boxes. Now, click the Remove Files button. Windows will begin clearing out those unnecessary files. This process might take a few minutes depending on how much junk you have accumulated. Next, let's use Disk Cleanup for a more thorough clean. Again, go to the search bar and type Disk Cleanup. Select Disk Cleanup from the search results in the Disk Cleanup window. Make sure your C drive is selected and click OK. Another window will appear. Check all the boxes here, including temporary internet files, and then click the Clean Up System Files button. This will reskin your drive. Then another window will appear again. Check all the boxes and click OK to start cleaning up your system files. A confirmation window will pop up. Click Delete Files, and just like that, you've cleared out even more junk. By following these steps regularly, you can keep your Windows 11 system running smoothly and efficiently. Remember to like and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips.